Welcome back, health and beauty hackers. Today, we're going to share a recipe that will completely change your views on liver. Well, maybe. Now, liver is not the most appealing food item for most people, except maybe the Liver King, but it is a nutrition powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins and nutrients that are beneficial for our health. In this video, we'll explore a 1950s and 60s health fact and the benefits and precautions that should be taken. By the end of this video, you'll have a newfound appreciation for liver and maybe even be inspired to try incorporating it into your diet. Liver is an excellent source of protein and iron. It has high amounts of vitamin A, vitamin B12, folic acid, and CoQ10. It is also the #1 food source of copper, which is essential to maintaining normal magnesium levels. It also contains brain-boosting choline and selenium as well, and other essential nutrients that are often lacking but very necessary for our bodies. Liver can also help with detoxification, support the immune system, and improve overall energy levels. So, you can definitely see why it is important to be able to stomach this nutritious powerhouse in one way or another. Now, while liver has numerous health benefits, most people still hate the taste. While some folks do love a good liver paste, or our grandmother's liver and onions, most people don't go near the stuff. If you are of age and remember the 1983 miniseries, that may have ruined you for liver forever. Google it. The strong metallic flavor and texture of liver can be hard to swallow for many. However, we may have a solution for that. In the 1950s, there was a health fad of masticating or blending liver and drinking it. This method was believed to be an excellent way to consume liver without having to deal with the taste. The idea behind this was that by blending the liver, it would release more nutrients and make them easier and quicker for the body to absorb. While this method may sound strange, it is an effective way to get all the benefits of liver without having to taste it. Well, that's the theory. Most of us blend all kinds of fit and nutritious packed products into our morning smoothies. We think this just may be worth a shot. Now, before you jump into that liver smoothie, there are a few precautions that you should take. First, make sure to choose high-quality liver from a trusted source, preferably grass-fed rather than grain-fed. Liver can contain toxins and heavy metals, so it's essential to choose a reputable source. Second, avoid consuming too much liver as it can lead to vitamin A toxicity. Just cut small pieces of liver up and freeze them in small portions to later blend and drink for a later date. Some people also add milk to further remove the metallic taste, as well as add a little salt and spices. It was typically drank quickly, likely so you wouldn't have time to think about what you were doing. If the 1950s health fad isn't for you, don't worry. There are other ways to consume liver. You can try liver jerky, which is a tasty and convenient way to consume liver on the go. You can make it yourself by dehydrating the liver, or you may want to try liver capsules, which are also a popular option that provides most of the benefits of liver in an easy-to-swallow form. Whatever you do, just try to make this a part of your diet in some way. Liver is a nutrition powerhouse that is packed with essential vitamins and nutrients. While most people will always hate the taste of liver, there are various ways to consume it. Masticating liver may not be for everyone, but it is an effective way to get all the benefits without having to taste it. Remember to choose high-quality liver, consume it in moderation, and balance blending or masticating with other forms of liver consumption. So, do you think you would like to try? Have you ever heard of this masticated method before? Have you used it? If not, do you plan to give it a try? Please leave a comment below and happy blending. Thank you for watching, and we hope this recipe has changed your views on liver. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.